British MP Bob Blackman said that the BBC documentary on Prime Minister Narendra Modi is completely exaggerated. BBC does not represent views of the British government. The documentary is a hatchet job, he said. Blackman also said that the two-part series is a result of poor journalism, badly researched and completely unjustified. The UK MP further said that China is trying to encircle India. The Indian economy is performing admirably. UK and India are best friends. We want India should have a permanent place in the UN Security Council, Blackman said. Before Blackman's reaction on the controversy, Amit Shah said that truth emerges despite 1,000 conspiracies around it. They are after Modi since 2002, but every time Modi ji comes out stronger and more popular, the Union Home Minister said in an interview. The controversial two-part documentary series has triggered a major controversy in India. The documentary looked at PM Modi's tenure as the Chief Minister of Gujarat during the 2002 riots. Terming the BBC documentary a propaganda piece, the centre had ordered social media platforms, Twitter and YouTube to block links of the BBC documentary. The Supreme Court has dismissed a plea seeking to impose a complete ban on BBC in India in wake of a controversial documentary. The apex court termed it entirely misconceived and absolutely meritless. A bench comprising Justices Sanjeev Khanna and M.M. Sundaresh passed the order while hearing a plea filed by Vishnu Gupta, president of the Hindu Sena, and Birendra Kumar Singh, a farmer. The top court also directed the central government to produce original records relating to its decision to block the BBC documentary.